Welcome to Tuesday's dictation, Tuesday the 25th of August. So make sure you've got your dotted thirds book ready. You've got the word dictation there like that. And the 25th/8/2020. Okay, two sentences. The first sentence is based on what we did last week when we talked about animals of the ocean. The first sentence is sharks have fins. So it's three words. Sharks have fins. Just take the first word, sharks. Have fins. The second word is will you stand still? Four words. Will you stand still? So take the first two words, will you. Now that's a question. We're asking a question, so make sure you've got something on the end of this sentence that tells you it's a question. Will you? Stand still. All right, let's go over it again. The first sentence was sharks have fins. Second sentence, will you stand still?